The climate in Spain varies across continental Spain. Spain is the most climatically diverse country in Europe with 13 different Köppen climates, excluding the Canary Islands, and is within the 10 most climatically diverse countries in the world. 5 main climatic zones can be distinguished, according to the country's Köppen-Geiger climate classification and orographic conditions. Apart from the 5 main climate zones, other noticeable subzones can be found, such as the humid subtropical climate in large areas in the northern half of Catalonia going down to Barcelona, the province of Huesca and northern Navarre. The dry continental climates all across Spain in the highest areas. The alpine climate and the subarctic climate in the higher areas of northern Spain's various mountain ranges, a subtropical climate in the coastal areas of the Canary Islands and a hot desert climate in the southeastern coastline and eastern parts of the Canary Islands, notably around Almería and Las Palmas. The Issei hot summer Mediterranean climate is found on most of the Mediterranean coast of Spain, starting from the border with Portugal to the border with France. With a few exceptions, it also extends inland in Andalusia and Extremadura. It is characterized by hot dry summers and mild winters with infrequent frosts in inland locations. With this climate, the summers are hot, the winters are mild and most of precipitation falls in the autumn. Examples of cities with Issei climate are Malaga, Valencia, Palma or Seville. The CSB warm summer Mediterranean climate is found in Galicia and the western areas of Castilla y Leon. Coastal Mediterranean region is marked by Levache winds, hot, dry, easterly or southeasterly air currents that originate over North Africa. Periods of these winds, which sometimes carry fine Saharan dust, are more common in spring and are associated with a sudden, usually short-lived, increase in temperature. A cooler easterly wind, the Levante, funnels between the Sistema Penibetico and the Atlas Mountains of North Africa. These easterly winds are the ones which most influence the Mediterranean climate. The most populous city with CSB climate in Spain is Vigo. Other cities with this climate are Avila, Leon or Salamanca. The inland areas of the Iberian Peninsula, on the Central Plateau, have a Issei or CSB Mediterranean climates with greater seasonal differences than the coast. The summers are usually hotter than in the coast. Regularly exceeding 35 degrees Celsius are not uncommon, dropping up to -10 degrees Celsius in Brest or Liverpool and about 10 degrees Celsius in Liverpool. The rainfall is generally abundant, exceeding 1,000 mm and is fairly evenly spread out over the year, with the driest month above 30 mm, which is the minimum criteria for an oceanic climate according to Köppen. Although Köppen officially limits the oceanic domain to the Asturias and the Basque Country region, certain authors such as Trueta prefer to extend this climatic zone to the northwest part of the peninsula to Galicia. Due to the moderate summer temperatures, temperatures vary only slightly, both on a diurnal and a seasonal basis, and averages range from 9 degrees Celsius is the wettest season, while July is the driest month. The high humidity and the prevailing offshore winds make fog and mist common along the northwest coast. This phenomenon is less frequent a short distance inland because the mountains form a barrier to the maritime moisture. The Galician climate, this climate, which is sometimes classified as Mediterranean, is classified as oceanic, according to other authors such as Trueta, due to the lower summer temperatures and higher rainfall. Nonetheless, the area displays typical Mediterranean features, including regular forest fires, which are often started deliberately by arsonists. Most of Galicia has high annual sunshine hours, although there are notable regional variations, ranging from 1,600 hours in the northeast to 2,600 in the southeast and the Rías Baixas. Not all Galicia has a CSB climate. Most of the north and central mountains have a typical oceanic CFB. Some valleys in the south are classified as hot summer Mediterranean, like the comarca of O Condado, the city of Orense o Ribeiro. In northwest Castile, the climate is classified also as CSB because the temperatures of summer are cooler due to the altitude. The humid subtropical climate exists in large areas of northeastern Spain, mostly in the northern half of Catalonia and the province of Huesca. This climate is also found across northern Navarre in the northern areas of the province of Guadalajara. The largest city with this climate in Spain is Barcelona. The semi-arid climate and the drought usually extends into the autumn. The desert climate exists in a few zones of the southeastern coast of Spain and in eastern parts of the Canary Islands. Within mainland Spain, it appears predominantly in Almeria, with the city of Almeria falling under the hot desert climate categorization per Issei.